What is going on, guys? Welcome to Ryan's Radar. It is Wednesday, January 31st. Tomorrow is officially the second month of the year. We have already completed month one. And so far, so good. I think you guys are liking the consistency. For those of you that took advantage of the elite group, you guys are clearly seeing the benefits. And I think you guys will start to notice how much your trading will increase the more you stick around, right? This is not like a come in and instantly learn something brand new and you got it all off the moment. You could. It's very possible. It's happened to me. But this is a consistency thing. So if you guys are serious and you stay on the game, on the grind daily throughout every week of every month of the entire year, you will see results. It's literally inevitable. You surround yourself with people that know what they're talking about, know what they're doing, and you will eventually come to the same conclusions that they did, and you'll eventually get the same results that they had. Do what they do, say what they say, you'll get what they have, right? So if you follow these things that I'm saying, you will see success. And I'm going to say this again, just so that you guys understand the rules of how this works. Rule number one, only take entries when price is in zones. So if price is up here, not touching a zone, you're not touching the button to buy or sell. Nothing. You're not doing shit. And the second rule is never buy when price is in supply and never sell when price is in demand. You only buy in demand and sell in supply. That is it. Those are the two cardinal rules. If you break those rules, you will start to lose. Promise you, I've tried it. Every time I go against my own rules, I fucking lose, and it's annoying. So I'm never doing that again, and then neither should you. So what are we expecting for EURUSD? We had really good moves this morning. For I kind of pushed it bullish, but I woke up when price was right here. It wasn't in supply. It wasn't in demand. So what did I do? Absolutely nothing. I waited for price to push up, push up, push up, push up. And I actually did not enter in on sell on this. I was in sells on GU and AU and was successful with those. I could have held them a little bit longer because price ended up dropping even further. And you'll see that when we go over GU. But ultimately, it just proves to stand that if you stay consistent with those two rules that I mentioned, you will see success in some sort of way. So what are we expecting for EU tonight? Well, EU is what did I say for the one before? It's bearish, right? So the reason I'm saying it's bearish is because you have the daily candles gradually closing down, right? And usually when I see that happening, that's just a continuation pattern. So essentially, if the price is closing down, what does that mean? Well, you want to see selling opportunities. And if you guys remember the rules, we're in demand. So does that mean we sell? No, we don't. Keep it simple. What do? We wait for price to hit supply. So what does that mean? Gotta wait for it to rise. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna sit here and we're gonna watch this shit go all the way up here, and then you're gonna decide whether or not you want to get in on a sell. Up to you. That's your thing. And if you do decide to get into a sell and it breaks past these high right here, either have your stop loss set up here or take the loss and then readjust, wait for it to pull back into demand and take a buy. Like it's really simple, guys. Like the rules are not hard. You just have to stay consistent with it. And for anybody that is interested, I do mentorship. And if you want me to teach you one-on-one, I can do that. You just got to hit me up, reach out to my email, reach out to me on Discord, reach out to me on Telegram. I don't care. Hit me up. I'll work with you and make sure that you understand the rules even better and so that you can see some real consistency in your life. But ultimately, if we're going to be looking bearish on this tonight, I am doing nothing but waiting for price to shoot up here. That's it. That is the only thing I want you guys doing tonight. You're not touching this for a buy. I mean, if you guys are understand the market a little bit more than some other people, then obviously you have your understanding that it's in demand, so you want to be looking more for buys. I would say that if you wait, you're gonna have a chance to probably buy it up into the zone. But if it doesn't, then honestly, that's it. I mean, you don't have to. It could break down here, and if it breaks down here like so, closes down here, breaks out all these demands, then we have a new supplies formed, and we wait for price to pull back into it, and then we take the sell. It's that simple. You just have to be able to adjust. Just because I say price has to be up here for supply or for a sell doesn't mean it's going to do that. I'm just giving you a higher probability chance of getting in on a winning trade. But at the moment, I mean, I want to see it push up, but this thing can do anything it wants right now. Let's go over news real quick. I want to show you guys what we have coming up. So there is a lot of Euro news in the mornings, just like yesterday. We have high impact news, right? here, starting at 2:15, 2:30, 2:45, 2:50, 2:55, 3 a.m., then 3:30, then 4 a.m., and then 4 a.m. here. All of this is euro, by the way. And then around 6 a.m., we have GBP news. So I'm hoping that pushes something forward. And then we have jobless claims on at 7:30 for the dollar. And this is all the day before NFP. So it's gonna get real interesting real fast, guys. Real interesting real fast. So just be ready for that. Let's go back to the charts. So obviously look for bullishness, and then we'll look for the sells. And then for GBP USD, we're still sideways, so you guys can take this both ways. But again, understand price is at a demand. We do not sell. Don't sell. That's breakout trading, and statistically, you try that every single time, you're gonna lose. Just don't do it. So we're in demand. Look for buying potential, or just be patient overall. Wait for the moves going up during Asian or London session. Wait for it to hit this 1 hour supply, I would say, as your first target. If it breaks past that, you have the 5 minute. If it breaks past that, you have all these areas right here that price needs to retest anyway. And then from there, we'll start looking for a selling opportunity. Look for an engulfing candle either on the hour or the 30 minute or the 15 minute, and then just execute. Be fucking mechanical with this. Don't just sit here and get emotional and get scared that you might lose. I'm telling you, it's going to screw you over. Your own mind is your worst enemy. Wait for it to get up here, wait for those confirmation candles, and then take those sells. If it comes down here a little bit more and it makes sense for a buy, take the buys. You just have to understand the mechanics of it. Operate without emotion. Just get used to it. It's not easy. Obviously, it's easier said than done. But if you practice at it and you trust the process and you watch the charts, you will develop the faith to just keep doing it. So this is what we're looking for. We're looking for pushes up into these areas, and then we're looking for sells. That's really put it. I mean, since price is ranging, I don't have a buying opportunity or a selling opportunity. This could be a buy right now if you feel that confident, or you want to see more of a confirmation push down first, or you could just wait for it to go up into these supplies and then look for the sell. Pretty simple. I won't go too much farther into it. I've been beating a dead horse anyway, but you guys understand it. I'm going to leave it at that. And if you guys have watched this all the way through, guys, there is a 2 week trial to the elite group. Take advantage of that. The link is in the did I not put it? It's in the description below. So check the description below. And so you can do 2 week trial, or you can join just for the paid version, complete access every single month, or hit me up for private mentorship, or just join the free group if you're already in it, if you're not in it. So with that being said, I will see you guys not tomorrow actually, because tomorrow's Friday. So I'll see you guys next week. Everyone have a great weekend. Wait, hold on. I'm sorry. I'll see you guys tomorrow because today's Wednesday. I thought it was Thursday. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll kick it there. Peace.